lang. Okay. Dali lang. Alright, so, based on what I read, with this in mind, if greed had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? Again, if greed has a physical form, or had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? Timer starts now.
For me, as a simple human being, if greed is a physical form, for me, it's a crown. Why? Because we all know that we all candidates, we are so greed to get the crown. But we always forgot the sportsmanship. Because that is the most important why we keep joining here. To be inclusivity and magkaisa tayong lahat dahil tayo rin mga kapwa LGBT ang mag-aangat sa ating bandera. Kaya wag po tayong masyadong mag-greed sa corona, bagkus mas bigyan natin ng importansya ang sportsmanship. Thank you.
If humility had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? Timer starts now.
If humility have a form, that will be the money. Alam naman po natin na lahat ng tao, maraming dito sa ating mundo ginagalawan ang nababago ng pera. Kaya para po sa akin ang humility, ito po ay simbolo na kung saan marunong tayong magbalik tanaw, kung saan tayo nanggaling. Pera ang dahilan kung bakit nababago ang tao, kung bakit nagkakaroon ng hidwaan sa bawat isa. Kaya para po sa akin, ang pera, ang simbolo ng isang humility. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, you're only given 1 minute. Ready na? Sige. The word chosen was empathy. If empathy had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? Timer starts now.
Okay, thank you so much. So, I think empathy is as a physical form that would be a cross. Why should I say so? Dahil naniniwala ho ako na ang pagyakap sa Panginoon at pagbigay ho natin ng importansya at bigay po natin ng faith kay God ay nagbibigay ho to sa atin ng lakas sa araw-araw nating ginagawa. Palagi ho natin pakakatandaan na if we have faith in God, we can make an impossible to possible. Thank you.
Cataluna, nakuha niya ay ang word na arrogance. Arrogance. If arrogance had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why?
I think
Timer starts now.
if I were given a chance to, what would it be in a physical form, in a word, arrogance. I think it's a bird. You know what, ladies and gentlemen? Kaming mga bakla, para kaming ibon. Kasi every time na pupunta kami sa ibang lugar, iisipin ng ibang tao na may mga bagay na hindi nila alam na kung ano yung tunay nating nararamdaman. Yung mga taong arrogance, yung mga ganyang klaseng bagay, alam naman natin na malaki yung matututunan natin. So be thankful. If there's someone who made you feel like you are a loser, isa lang po yung dapat nating sabihin bilang isang bakla. Ako po ay isang tao. Magandang umaga.
Alright, so if forgiveness had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? Timer starts now.
Thank you. I would like to correct the other candidate. When you say physical form, it is what we call matter. And when you say matter, it is anything that has mass and it takes up space. Ladies and gentlemen, as we portray the Black Nazarene as devotion and faith, I believe that the Black Nazarene is Jesus. And Jesus is once a human being. So if forgiveness has a form, it is us human beings. Because we give forgiveness and we experience forgiveness. Thank you very much.
It's okay, sige. Ang napili niya ay ang word na compassion. Alright, so if compassion had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why?
According to history, we do have two types of Nazareno. Nazareno Masa and Nazareno Maharlika. But I really want to choose the physical art that was made by the anonymous Mexican artist that was brought by the Spaniard May 31, 1906. And that is the Nazareno Masa. I really want to relate compassion to the Nazareno Masa. It is because as a poor individual, we put so much compassion to believe in God in order for us to survive, in order for us to live what we call life. So to all of us, don't lose hope. Always have compassion within your heart. Good evening.
Ang nakuha niyo po ay word resilience. Resilience ang nakuha niyang word. So if resilience had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why?
All right. I do believe that would be a pencil. Why? Because we are just a human being. We commit mistake, but through that pencil, we can be able to write our own story, and through that we can be able to inspire and help other people, and through that we can be able to lift each other up, and through that no one will left behind. Thank you so much.